Hello and welcome back. I've purchased a new outside line. We're going to be having Mr. Grumpy helping us today put it together. Say hello, Mr. Grumpy. I'm just unboxing it at the minute. Just removing all the cable ties. Right, can you show what does it include? So, some pegs and a cover. It also comes with the ground spike. There's the ground spike there. I'm going to show them the ground spike. And a piece of Velcro to keep all the lines together once it's taken down. So I've decided where I want the rotary line to go. It can't go in the last position because this is a bigger line. That was where I had my last. That was a 3-arm washing rotary line. So today I'm going to position it here. Trying to put the spike now in the soil. It's been very dry the last week in the UK. It's just levelling it up now. Make sure it goes in straight. Never hammer directly on top because you'll damage the pole itself. So get a block of wood and do it like this. My 3-arm rotary dryer was never big enough, and I had 2 retractable lines also in the garden. So this one now is a 1, 2, 4 arm. It will replace the retractable which broke. They always tend to break because of the weight of the clothes. They're just not good. So I've gone for a good option this time, hopefully. What are you looking for? Oh, hammer it, son.
Bent over more. It's got any more now.
I think it has, yeah. Bent a little bit there. I'm going to try and fix that there. See? You can see it there on the left. There is supposed to be a slight groove. I don't know if you can see it on the line there. See there in the centre of the pole for it to slide in. So we'll try and get that fixed. Hold on now, so there's the ground spike he's put in. I know he's going to pop the pole in. And just like that it goes in. Do you want to demonstrate the mechanism? I mean, I put it at a lower one for my height, but you might get caught in it if you're taller than me. So the press release buttons. So that's to put it higher, and then if you want to collapse it down to store it, there you go. You can tie the Velcro on it if you want, or you can just put a cover on it. This comes with a cover as well. So it comes with the black cover there, and it comes with the pegs and a peg bag. So it comes with the ground spike, rotary line, forearm, peg bag, cover and pegs. Thanks very much. So this was purchased from August for £70. So I hope you enjoy this video of how to insert the metal spike into the ground. If it was helpful at all, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, I suppose. Or just send me a flower. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.